working this business wholeheartedly. Kasi nakita ko, I was joining the company kasi nakita ko ang ganda ng company, ang ganda ng produkto.
From vision to reality. Ito na po ngayon, no? So, expand of 3 months, isa po ako sa mga taong natulungan ni Grinders Guild.
Bilang isang Vice President for Marketing, hindi namin akalain na ganito kabilis, ganito ka-abrupt, sa dumami bigla yung mga tao. In just a matter of 100 days, talagang umabot na kami ng 1,400 individuals. Hindi namin akalain na yung mga top leaders natin, yung mga 001, tinupad ng kumpanya yung pangako nila.
In 5 days lang, natulungan siya. Ang sarap ng feeling. Okay? So sana yung advocacy natin to help ituloy-tuloy po natin.
I'm so happy and I congratulate our company for coming up with a very nice office, no? Napakagandang office in 100 days. Imagine niyo, saan kayo nakakita ng ganyang kumpanya? 100 days na ganito na at hindi na mapigilan ng paglaki, no? Why? Because the product speaks for itself.
We enjoy the blessing of abundance. This is not just our effort, but above all, the divine intervention coming from the Lord. Our success to the Lord, because we can do nothing without the Lord. When I first bless this company, daghan siya, pero karon di na maihap. In just 100 days, imagine that. Blessing of abundance. You are highly blessed and favored by the Lord.